That numerical you all have with you now. वो न्यूमेरिकल है आप लोगों के पास? This one we were doing. कौन सा कर रहे थे हम लोग? हाँ, this only ना? Who is here? We were doing with this.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक ठीक. So what is this? You all could do PI and EPI and find किया 0 2 4 5 6 7 okay 8 10 13 15. This you all have marked, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want to see parallelly we'll go on writing PI. How many PIs are there? PI definition is what? See, the biggest group of ones which can be circled to cover a given one is called a prime implicant. Okay, so here we'll start on grouping. Okay, so see, first group is this. Okay, this is my group 1. इसका ये क्या आएगा? इसका इक्वेशन, yes, equation for this
XZ.
xz आया. Okay, then okay, see, I have the second group. This would be my second group. ठीक है, इसका इक्वेशन आएगा.
Ma'am, please join Rutik.
ऋत्विका.
Rutik.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, एक मिनट. Okay. ऋत्विक, then रतन, ऋत्विक चोपड़े, रतन बिरजे. ओके, ठीक है. सो प्रेजेंटेशन दिख रहा है क्या सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I formed the second group. Second group is this. This equation is W bar x. ठीक है, करेक्ट है ये? इज करेक्ट? Is this correct? Audible तो हूँ. हाँ. Right? See, this is your third group. These 4 ones with these 4 ones. Correct? So इसका क्या आएगा equation? What is the equation for this? Equation for this? Yes? Tejas?
Ma'am, screen is not.
Screen is not visible?
Yes, ma'am. Screen is not visible.
Ma'am, screen is visible, ma'am.
तो
We are not able to see this.
see, जिसको नहीं दिख रहा है ना, you try to pin me. Pin करो.
Already pinned, ma'am, but also we are not able to see.
Yes.
It's visible.
देखो.
Visible, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
कौन है ये? Not visible?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
not visible, ma'am.
ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो रे तुम लोग? हाँ,
Now visible, ma'am.
It's visible, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है. हाँ, हाँ. अभी कहाँ तक हुआ ये? हाँ, what is the equation for this third group? See, this is the third group. These two ones and these two ones. What's the equation for this? Equation.
W bar Z bar.
It is W bar Z bar. Okay. Then see what I can group the fourth one. एक this one I can group and इधर एक one है ना, ठीक है, this one I can group. इसका इक्वेशन क्या है? This is equation
X bar Z bar.
x bar z bar. ठीक है, fine, understood up till here everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
these are the four groups which we can form. It means there are four prime implicants. One is W bar X bar Z bar, comma W bar X, comma XZ, comma X bar Z bar. These are my four PIs. This is the first question solved. Okay, next, which are essential? Okay, now what do you mean by essential? How will work out with the essential? See, essential में you have to see, right? You just see if the group which you have formed. Okay, see for example XZ का एक group form हुआ है. Okay, XZ का एक cell form हुआ है. Okay, this is the cell formed by XZ. ठीक है? Now this cell, right, see this is the main cell. Okay, XZ is the main cell. This is the elements of this cell should be maximum a subset of only one group. समझ में आ रहा है? Understanding? Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
is it repeat करना है कि समझ गए सब लोग? Is it to be repeated or is it understood, Rutvik?
Repeat कर दो.
Repeat. Okay. See. Repeat. Okay. See, first I'll consider this group X bar, XZ. Okay. This is the group means cell number 5, 7, 13, 15 का group है ये. Okay. Now, if that group, right, is the elements of this group is subset of maximum next or other cells, then only this is EPI. Okay, देखो अभी अगर now if this see XZ का, okay, this XZ cell number is 5, 6, 5, 7, 13, 15, right? Cell number 5 is common to this group also. Cell number 5 and 7 are common to this group, okay, but 13 and 15 are not common to any groups. If I would have got one more one here and one more one here, okay, then what I would have found this one more group, okay. In that case my XZ would not be EPI. Am I clear now? समझ में आ रहा है what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So what I mean to say is when you see a group of cell, thus its elements can be maximum a subset of only one other group. समझ में आया ना अभी? अभय?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay. So see, it means what? XZ is my one of the prime implicant. Okay. Now we'll see with essential prime implicant. Now we'll see with the next one, which is here W bar Z bar. W bar Z bar का group कौन सा है? See the line which I am drawing with green. Okay, these four and These four. Cell number 0, 4, 2 and 6 are the combination for W bar Z. Okay, now see, will this be a essential prime implicant? See, cell number 0 and cell number 2, which are the cells grouped in W bar Z bar also and this X bar Z bar also. Okay, only if this was the case, this would have been prime implicant. But ye dekho, the cell number 4 is also having 1, cell number 6 is also having cell number 6 is also having 1, which is a subgroup of W bar X. Okay, so this W bar Z bar group is not an EPI. Okay, now we'll go to next one. Okay, this I had touched, right? X bar Z. Now see, X bar Z is what? Pink color. Okay, see, X bar Z is group what? This one 0, 2, 8 and 10. Okay, इसका group है X bar Z bar. Okay, now X bar Z bar का elements you have to see if it is common to any other group, only one other group, then it's a EPI. Okay, now see, cell number 0, 2 are common to W bar Z bar. Cell number 0 is common to W bar Z bar. Okay, but this is only one cell. Okay, so my X bar Z bar I can consider this an EPI. समझ में आया? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Next, okay.
Yes,
next
ma'am.
W bar X देखो. W bar X is this group. Okay. Shall I erase? Just a minute. I'll erase all this. Okay, now it's bit visible, I feel so. Now see, W bar X we are talking, right? W bar X. Abhi, W bar X is these four cells. Okay. See, W bar X groups cells. Okay. First is cell number 4, which is common to this also and this group also. Okay. Now, cell number 6 is common to this group and this group also. Okay. Cell number 5 and 7 are common to this one and to this one. So, will W bar X be a EPI? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, I have only two EPIs here. One is your XZ, the other one is your X bar Z bar. Understood? Now, the concept of PI and PI, is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Shubham? Suraya Banu? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we go for the next one, similar one? Finding PI and EPIs, okay? Okay, take down this. You do it, I'll do it parallelly, okay? So cell number 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 and 15. How many all have done this up till here? Up till here, is that done?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi find the prime implicants. So my first group is this. Okay, this group workouts to be X bar, Z bar. X bar, Z bar. Okay. Then what all I have? I have this one. Another group. This group works out to be Y bar Z. Y Z bar. Y right, so this works out to be Y bar. You all are doing or waiting for me to complete?
We are doing, ma'am.
Doing, ma'am. Ma'am, it is not X bar, Z bar, ma'am.
Ma'am, that is X bar Z only. That is X Z, ma'am. First.
मेरे को सुना ही नहीं दे रहा, 1 मिनट रुको, हाँ, जस्ट अ मिनट. फॉर्म द ग्रुप्स पीआईज फॉर्म किए. Have you formed the PI? I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, these two. हाँ. How many
Yes, ma'am.
PIs did you get? Have you done? How many PIs you get? Okay, ठीक है.
4.
I have done 2 here. Okay, y bar z bar एक हुआ, x bar z bar एक हुआ, and you might have done this. Okay, this equation is what? Y
Z bar.
z bar. और एक कौन सा फॉर्म किया? This did you form? This and this. Correct? This is the fourth one which you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो इसका इक्वेशन क्या होगा आपका? x bar z bar. This would be x bar z bar.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ,
Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am.
हो गया क्या? डन.
Ma'am, that is first one is not x bar z bar, ma'am. It's x and z, ma'am.
5, 7, 13, 15, ma'am.
5.
हाँ, right. Yes, it is. ओह, वो जा नहीं रहा है. जस्ट
Ma'am, Prajwal Gowda is trying to enter my class.
join the class.
He is not trying to join class, ma'am.
मेरे को उसका रिक्वेस्ट तो आया नहीं इधर. ओके, चलो एनीवेज विल सी. इरेजर कहाँ है? इधर इरेजर. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई विल इरेज दिस. Okay, this is your x bar z bar, na? This is your xz. Okay, this is your xz. अभी you all have done this 4 you have got?
Yes, ma'am.
इतना ही है क्या? और कोई है?
Yes, ma'am.
You check out only these are possible or something else is possible? See, you can do this. Correct? इसका इक्वेशन क्या होगा? z y मतलब yz. Correct? One more. You forgot here these 4. See, you have to carefully watch for it. Cell number 0, 1, 8 and 9 भी PI हो सकते हैं. So equation for this is x bar y bar. देखो, any clarifications required up till here? Any clarification required up till here? See, what 4 you had done was not wrong. Okay, that was correct. But these 2 groups also you could have been formed, but you did not do it. Okay? All got this now? So total you get 6 prime implicants. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी EPI check करो. Check for EPI. How many EPIs you get? Yes. See, you can start with this group. Corner 4 ones जो है ना, you can start with that. These 4, this one, okay, and This one, you can start with this. Okay, now this group which gives you X bar, what does this group give you? X bar, Z bar. Okay, ये group है ये X bar, Z bar. Okay, now you have to see it should not be a subset of more than one other group. Okay, so X bar, Z bar, if you see, it is a subset of this group X bar, Z, X bar, Y bar. ये देखो, ये red में जो बना है ना cell number 9. Okay, so cell number 8 is a subgroup of cell number 9's X bar, Y bar. Okay, ये एक group हुआ. Okay, and the cell number 10 of X bar Z bar group is again subgroup of Y bar Y Z bar. समझ में आया? Is that understood? Yes, Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, right. So how many EPIs did you all could find out? How many
No,
EPIs?
ma'am. 0.
Anyone else?
0.
Adarsh says 0. What does Abhay say? Abhay is working out.
Yes, ma'am.
What is to be said by Mohammad Mazhar? Mazhar नहीं है. रतन बिरजे?
Working, ma'am.
हाँ. सानिया?
Yes, ma'am, I'm working.
हुआ? डन?
Yes, ma'am.
कितना आया?
0, ma'am. 0, ma'am.
0? All are getting 0?
Yes, ma'am.
0, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because here none of the cells here is a subgroup of only one other cell. Okay, so EPI works out to be 0. However, there are 6 PIs. Okay, am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So understood, clear with the concept of PI and EPI?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you all will finish the class for today here. You all work out with the previous year question paper numerical I had sent you. Okay, leaving that Queen McCluskey, we have not done up till there. Okay, whatever portion we have covered, you please try to work out that numerical which I had given you in the class group. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, we all will quit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, चलो. Yes.